any wrongdoing against any staff or any employee of BOSEN, including the chairman, any allegation that please furnish requisite proof. The Putopiraga, I furnish the chap chapa government action, no government, we cover me and it comes again. I look at any false allegation without any proof. I do not see land over see proof like documents the government including chairman, any employee of OSEM who has done any wrongdoing or of the education department which have started action those are many and we have to come again. Madam the last and say the Madam Chana and rest of see priority in the government of the Masida also covered the media regarding the appointment of the chairman. The last 10 as per the new national education policy, last 10 city slowly ease out our class 9 to 12 say could be unit aman and order. See the class 9 to 12 is the most important or say class 12 portion exam. Most in this story, erased over never. See my country. As per the new national education policy. Assam Gusu, Busan Zay Moidi, Labor Board, erased over, merged over. Madam the 10th class board example, Yamna, today importance with the Anans, Anam Sahi, Yam Gayada, say 14, 15, they are in a competitive over the development, sector, Kanana, Adu Kalaga, nationally, curriculum set or expert system of putting Aduna, last year the grading system we started over there was in the top 10 class 10 toppers based on marks last year so announced was everybody. Class 10 exam conduct also maybe not that important as previously, but example to conduct of reports in the thing. Nothing changed over the government issue in Malakani. Togu was it like the controversy, the appointment of the chairman of the OSEM. See, I come to it, Marcinzi, we notified notification the government notification for only. At that point, our chairman said how it was done, that that was also beyond. But the system is a quick correction to as per rules we notified to it. Applicants there were 5 applicants. And the eligibility was appointed as the chairman of OSEM. He was eligible, number 1. Eligible with the number 1, he was eligible. I think he media DPC to give. DPC is not required for appointment of chairman. DPC the government now exam interview the money applicants in the biodata application we best possible candidate to Kalaga as per relevant rules Kalaga chairman secondly Chahi who retired over happy finally Masi Achumbo Wapam Natsade cabinet decision 1/3/2024 notified the say Mungabo vote chairman government order later. Same as in OSEM chairman so say Mungabumi aduna same class 12 conduct board exam conductors in Mungaya Abina OSEM is yani and a cabinet decision order aduma ya buna dai hai do adu ai thamsage adu mayamna pegi cannot have any wrongdoing against any staff or any employee of BOSEM, including the chairman, any allegation that please furnish requisite proof. The ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯔꯅꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ false allegation without any proof ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯒꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯐ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ including chairman, any employee of OSEM who has done any wrongdoing or of the education department which have some action lawsuit and may have to again. Aduna Aina OSEM the employees in the Unare, whom the Su Pendam strike to draw the Buna into the Aduga Madu to Duna Maramaka, we will exam a commission to the type in the 2019 Adu February. तौसीदा मासी मतलब चाना तौनबा बुक्स पब्लिश तौनबा मासी कोऑपरेट तो बियुना ए अपील तो जरे पर्सनली मोय नरगा अदुदा अकोगी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई नि गवर्नमेंट के तोलो चारे बनी अदर रूल्स वायलेट तौरुन तारबा एनी डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन लापदा प्लीज डोंट माइंड अकोगी गवर्नमेंट से अनांजिंग छात्र सिंह खलगा एग्जाम वेल इन टाइम कंडक्ट तो बुझिया दे अदु हुजी होगी इन स्पाइट ऑफ दिस क्राइसिस एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट अकोगी academic schedule could maintain the class 9 class 10 12 uniform government schools no outside interference. We are not going to tolerate anything. Midday meal system school government schools which offer only the employees in the appeal please cooperate. Thank you.